So basically, Peach Day is a pre-debut girl group under KNJ Music and Better Company. The members include Sohyun, Juhi, Yoonhye, Narin, and Yeonhee. Now, Peach Day was supposed to, I believe, debut in September, but the debut date got postponed to October 14th. And on October 14th, or when the time came around, the company posted on the official Instagram of Peach Day. From what the translation I could understand, they were saying that there was an issue in distribution or something. So now the debut is postponed even more, and a new debut date will be announced. Now I don't know when the debut date is, but I'm hyped because when I saw the teasers for their song Cotton Candy, I was hyped. And because of watching those teasers, I decided to give them a debut album because I wanted to do a more smaller group and give them a debut album or give them like a sort of a full album or something. And since Cotton Candy is a more sweet, innocent, soft vocals, cute kind of a song, a beautiful song, I decided to give them B-sides based on that. And the B-sides I picked out are all sweet vocals, soft vocals, cute, innocent, beautiful kind of a song. So I hope you enjoy the video and I hope that you sub to me because I'll be releasing more videos soon. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video and the B-sides and the title track and the secondary track. So the videos playing before this are the official debut teasers of Peach Days' Cotton Candy, which was produced by O2 Tank, by the way. And since O2 Tank produced songs like Hey Girls is Shining Star, which was amazingly produced, this song will also have amazing production value. Now, if you hear the teasers, you will know that Peach Days' Cotton Candy's teaser has a more nostalgic kind of a vibe like older K-pop. It also gives off sweet, innocent, cute, beautiful and soft kind of a vibe, and it has softer vocals. Now I picked B-sides on the basis of the vibes that I was getting from the teasers, excluding the nostalgic vibe, and I picked K-pop songs for the debut album that have more sweet, innocent, cute and have more, beautiful kind of a vibe. I could be wrong, but I thought that these songs would fit perfectly in the discography. Now I'm not trying to assume that this is Peach Day's concept because they haven't debuted yet. Maybe they will switch up their concept for their first comeback. Maybe they will stick with the same concept, I don't know. And now that you know what the teasers sound like, I will not explain the B-sides or I will not explain the secondary track and the debut single or anything. I will just show you the track list, which has 8 songs in total, including the debut song Cotton Candy, and I will show you the album cover that I made. So that's all. So here are the track list and here's the album cover that I made for Peach Day.